They have received order copy from the High Court and despite receiving the order copy, they did not release. Now you should question the government and the department why they have not released the accused. High Court order is very specific that forthwith the moment you receive the order, you have to release an essay. Despite clear order, they did not release. Now they have to answer.
జైల్లో ఉండకూడదని చెప్పేసి కూడా హైకోర్టు
ఉన్నదండి. That is
కూడా ఇప్పుడు ఉన్నది. దీన్ని ఏ విధంగా మరి తీసుకుంటారు?
We have to take further steps and legally what is permissible we will take.
Sir, what is the kind of, are we going to initiate any legal action?
Yes, definitely. This is an illegal arrest, illegal detention. We will take legal steps and
But as of now, he has left from the.
Yes, he has been released.
మీరు అడిగారు అసలు లోపల ఇప్పుడు నైట్ అంతా కూడా స్టే చేశారు అంటే ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి దీనికి సంబంధించి ఎట్లా మరి ఆయన అంతా కూడా నార్మల్ ఖైదీలతోనే ఉంచారా? ఏం జరిగింది?
No, we have more an application and special category rules ప్రకారం స్పెషల్ కేటగిరీ పర్మిట్ చేస్తారండి. Okay.
Over the night, had there been any kind of suppose that he had been comfortable given the situation that he had stayed in?
I'm sorry, wait, pardon?
Had he been comfortable in the night?
That I can't say. How do I know that? I can't say. I can't answer that. Okay.
So release has been secured now. Now he has been released.
He has been released.
Okay. And what transpires, sir, in the evening? Because he was trying hard to get him released yesterday itself.
We were only requesting the department to comply the High Court's order. They did not comply the High Court's order. High Court order was very, very specific that forthwith they were supposed to release him.
What was the
they
time
did not.
when the paper came in?
So you will further approach to High Court.
Definitely, we will take steps.
There is some delay in the papers being brought, and that is why all of this confusion had taken place.
No, see, High Court specifically mentions that to release forthwith.
Yes.
Okay, it did not come from the trial court.
Yes.
The order is coming when the order is coming from the High Court. They were bound to comply the order that they did not do on it.
You will file
అసలు ఆర్డర్ కాపీస్
regular
ఇక్కడ ఎప్పుడు
bail, sir?
వచ్చేసారు? ఇంత డిలే ఎందుకు అయింది?
హైకోర్టు నుంచి వెళ్ళి రానికి టైం పట్టింది. ఓకే, దానికోసం
You will file regular bail, sir? Regular bail.
No, హైకోర్టు will hear and continue. Okay, this is only for 4 weeks.
Thank you, sir.